Hello everyone. Today I am going to share my embedded system internship project presentation. My name is Harsh Mahajan. I am from Emertxe Knowledge City. I am currently studying in fourth year electrical engineering. So let's get started. To start the let's get into contents. What are the today? First of all, we are seeing what are the embedded system, what are the types of embedded system. Then after going to overview of internship, then I am going to explain the what are my projects, what are the requirements, what are the microcontrollers, what are the display for other components I am going to use. Then after I will show you what are the hardware and software we will use in my project. Then we are going to how we develop the project and other things. So then after that, I'm going to show you demo of the my project. Then after we are going to show what are the skills going through the my project and conclusion. So let's get started. First of all, we are saying the what is the embedded system? Embedded system is the integration of both hardware and software to perform a given task. So, for example, we are using the digital watches, washing machine, laser printer, microphone, camera. They are both hardware and components to perform the reliability and performance of our efficiency. Then we are going to see what are the types of the embedded system. There are mainly four types: of real-time, standalone, network, and mobile. Real-time means you can see the important timing, but not critical timing. Standalone system is a digital camera, MP3 players. Network embedded system is nothing but a smart home devices, industrial automation that connect to network for resource access. Fourth, mobile embedded system that we are going to portable battery connected. Other than this, we use GPS smartphone that's in the world. So I work what my internship included the first of all internship conducted by embedded information technology with the online internship. In this internship, uh, they teach us what is the embedded C programming, microcontroller, how to interface some peripheral like LCD, keypad, timer, so microcontroller. Then we are going to project implementation. So telling about the Emertxe Information Development Limited is a pioneering institute for embedded system course. It is located at Bangalore since 200 Emertxe Information Technology is a top tier category in computer software training, real-time Linux in Bangalore. Well-known institutes act as a one-stop destination for different of one other part of information. For project, we are going to make a model of washing machine simulation using peak system F8771. So we are implement the function of water program selection, daily liquid or more, water level selection, time setting, counter, fan and buzzer, door status system, LCD updates, user interact with 4x4 matrix keyboard, and the output shown on 16x4 character LCD display. For us, we are going to see what are the project requirements. For project, we are going to require some software like MPLab XID and PixSimLab is a simulator tool. Or the what are we are going to use PixGenos board from microchips that includes fan, keypad, buzzer, system bus, LCD that actually interface with the Pix16 F877 but there are more many LED matrix keyboard, SLD, digital keypad, buzzer LED and a register with GPIO with temperature sensor. We are going to use both of them with the help of PixSimLab simulation tool. So next we are going to see what Pix16 F877 micro. It is the 8-bit RSIC architecture microcontroller that has the 33 GPIO pins. There are 5 ports that distributed across 33 pins. There are 50 interrupts for 14 channel ADC that are the 10-bit resolution. There are 3 timers included in PIC16. There are 2 8-bit and one 16-bit timers still. So the serial communication that's supported by PIC16 EVRT, SPI and I2C modules. And the clock speed it is up to 20 megahertz. And as you can see, there are the block diagram which describe the what are the peripherals are connected to PIC system microcontrollers for GPIO pins I2C, the AM35 temperature sensor matrix chip, SSID, digital keypad buzzer, LED and RS232. So now we are going to see pin diagram of PIC16. There are 5 ports. Firstly, the port A, port B, port C, port D, and port E. Port A starts from pin 2 to pin 7. Port B starts from pin 32 to pin 40. Port C starts from pin 15 to pin 80. Port J has there are two divided into two blocks. The first block is starts from pin 27 to 30, and second part starts from pin 90 and 20. So port C starts from pin 23 and pin ends at pin 26. And port A has the second part, the pin starts from pin 21 and 22. And no other are the VCC and ground pins. So that's all. For next, we are going to see CLCD display. CLCD means characterized liquid crystal display. This is as in one line there are 60 characters can be displayed at a time. So total capacity is 64 characters because of the 60 character and 4 lines are in the CLCD display. It can be interfaced with 4-bit and 8-bit in parallel. So there are low light condition and low visibility in backlight. So there are 5 volt operating voltage of the CLCD display. It is popular to use in numerous projects and other things. For next component we need to digital keypad is a 4x4 column matrix. There are total 16 keys. The operating voltage is 3 volt to 5 volt DC. The interface is 6 digital pins. There are 4 rows and 4 column connector is a female 2.54 mm pitch with that. As you can see in the diagram, there are 5 volt operating voltage and 4.7 k resistor is connected in series to connected in the parallel of from 4x4 keypad. Then the other component is the fan. This is a fixed lab cooler component we are going to use as a motor for our washing machine purpose. So how we are going to see the house spin and hot stop and then temperature regulation of electrical simulation component for cooling purpose. Thermal resistance I usually use in the fixed lab, but we are going to use it for our washing machine purpose. So we are going to see how it will be rotate. Digital routage as a washing machine we are going to see in, from the our original appliances and home. The next component is the buzzer. Buzzer operates on various DC voltages and frequencies. The sound pressure will be increasing as the size increases. The current consumption draw low current and around 30 milliampere. There are various types of buzzer: piezoelectric, electromagnetic, electromechanical. Each has its own working principle. There are active and passive uh, buzzers. There are used in alarm, timers, feedback mechanism in electrical device. For the project, we are going to use the simulator named PiximLab. These are the PiximLab interface that we are going to use in project. So for next, we are going to use see the development work. So first we are going to study the internal logic of the actual washing machine. Then then we are we are going to code for the perform an actual washing machine. Then we assign the key for the fixing lab. Then after we are going to present the our final project. For the implementation, as soon as we power on the washing machine or the microphone we want simulator to display the message from user like press key 5 to power on the washing machine. Once the simulator display the message for the user press key 5 after that just after pressing the key 5 controller start and again it displays the message for the user like powering on washing machine. Then for different washing program like daily heavy, daily tasty for cotton, dry only and no simulator container loader key or tactile switch with the help of it. Each user can be able to choose restricted program and scroll down with the help of port. The user has locked the switch keyboard to select the program. Then we the next page after the washing program then will see the display the different water levels. The user can select the particular water level required by washing machine. Even in this character liquid crystal displays the water level like auto, low, medium, high, max. Similarly, the user can scroll down to the water levels by long pressing the switch 4. The user can select the water levels. After selecting water level, the LCD displays the music press switch 5 to start and switch 6 to stop. If users press switch 6 to stop the program, then it returns again to washing program window. If the user press switch 5, then it will start the program when it displays the user about selected program and shows the time. The CLCD display particular program and time to watch the selected program in minutes and seconds. When the machine starts to run at same time, the fan rotates in the peak genus board will be showing remaining time to complete on the HLCD display. Even program shows whether the clothes are washing, rinsing, or spinning. CLCD display 5 start and 6 to pause. If the user press the switches to pause the working stop, even the time stop even window motor stops rotating again. If user press switch 5, then again washing start and rotor beginning to rotate. If switch 1 is not pressed to indicate water machine door is closed. If the switch 1 is pressed to indicate the door is open. If user press switch 1, then the buzzer turns on indicate that door is open. At the time of washing, if the user opens the door by pressing switch 1, then the LCD displays the message like door open, please close. When the washing is completed, when the time returns to zero, then rotor stop and the light turns on, indicating the program intended can take your close press after finishing a display program completed, remove close, then outlast again, come back to the washing machine program display, then we can select the which program to be selected inside the repeat this procedure, we can able to see the all types of things. Then now we are going to see the project flow chart of the washing machine. First we will start simulation, then initialize component display power on. Then if you are going to press power on the sequence, then we are going to select the program selector, press forward. Then after we are going to water level selector. Then we are going to start or topic cancel. Then we are going to see program selection window afterward. Then if we select the start, then initialize timer will be start. After the initial timer stop, we are going to check the auto type door close, then running cycle will be continued. If it's open, then cycle will be stop and until we close the door is not started. Then we are going to resume our uh, washing the close cycle. If after that completion, we are going to resend our first window that's going to go program selector window. If the time completed, if time remaining, we are going to double on the running cycle and the complete the sequence. Then now we will see the demo of the washing machine program. To start the washing machine, we are going to keep 5. After key on the washing machine, we are going to see washing programs. First daily heavy United Delicates, heavy United Delicates, Repo clothes, stain wash, woolens, bed sheets, rinse plus dry. Then after there are more programs for them. To select the any of the program, we are going to long press the key. After long press the key, we are going to select the water level. So now we are only start with the wash only system. was only program. Now we are going to select water level. There are different water level types: auto, low, medium, high, max. Then we are going to see the list of for the water level. We are going with the low water level. As you can see, so to start the washing program, we are going to press the switch 5. Just select the timer. Then the washing machine is start. So to stop the washing machine, we are going to key number 6. We have to press. Stop the washing machine. Then we can again use the after completing demo. We are going to see what window using the washing program. There are different programs. We can select it in afterward. So there are 10. Then now we will see what are the skill I gained from this internship. First, I demonstrate the professional embedded C program for embedded system development and gain in-depth understanding about what are the C programming, strings, loops, and other things. We are going to then I am going to understand what are the different types of microcontroller architecture, functionality, what are the timers, LCDs, and other thing timers. We are going to use SFR, special function register, and other register, what is the accumulator, and other things. Acquired practical experience in interfacing peripheral device with microcontrollers. Then the develop expertise in debugging through the both simulation tools and real-time hardware intensive. So it's been a nice experience to have the other things with microcontroller working, how the Genos board are working. There are different types of microcontroller rather than Arduino, VSP, and Raspberry Pi. I am so much fun for doing this internship. Then after the strength, my logical reasoning adopted model of programming techniques that we are going to use, and now the share video application. I am going to use this knowledge to build different types of projects that are helpful to the daily, daily life in everyone. So thank you for the invitation for giving this me an opportunity for now we are going to proceed with forward program. Now for the conclusion that I am going to say I successfully simulated and implemented the functional washing machine model in Pixim Lab with various. So as you see in the demo, there are different washing programs that we are going to use in daily life with that water levels that are different when we wash the different types of clothes. So let's in order to same functionality as we are going to train our washing machine model to work in every area. When after the applied embedded system knowledge, we can the or solve real world problem. Then after then we can do same apply our micro we can build it through the different mode, conventional mode, grid mode, or other uh, power on power off. There are different types of mode with temperature sensor and heating elements. So I finally say I gain end-to-end development experience from the concept to hardware testing. So now I'm going to say thank you for the Emertxe team for letting me use this wonderful opportunity to stay intern in your Emertxe information technology. Then we are very thankful for you to given me an opportunity to stand in your. So again, thank you for all my teammates and the mentors who teach me all types of things that I want to learn from this internship. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.